One of my favorite styles that I like to do is this style where I put it all up on top of my head. All right, so my hair is dry. So first, what I love to use is Pattern's Argan Oil right here. And so I just put a little bit of that in my hand right there. And it's their hair serum. And so I just rub it through my hair. With my locks, I don't really act so precious about it, where, you know, I'm trying to keep these perfect parts. I actually like for there to be different dimensions and them not to be so perfect. So I don't get really weird about rubbing it through my scalp and then messing up parts and all that kind of stuff. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with it being having a mind of its own. One of my favorite styles that I like to do is this style where I put it all up on top of my head and I start to build. And I'm gonna put it at the very, very, very front of my head. I may have some just kind of like dangling in the back. It's not supposed to be perfect. So we're gonna put it to the front of my head. And what I do, because I don't have a rubber band big enough, I actually take my hair, like this part right here, and I wrap it around and take another part of my hair and I just tie it. Now, even though this is kind of a vibe right here too, it's a vibe, but that's not what we're doing. And it's gonna be messy, like that's the goal. Then I take one of my rubber bands and I secure it near maybe like this part of it, like near that part. Just one time. Like that. And then I'm not done. We're gonna take it higher. Like Sly and the Family Stone said, we're gonna take you higher. I know. And right here, I'm just gonna put it like maybe like right there, because I want it to go too high, because I gotta stay in the camera frame. And then I just kind of, like that. It's a bop. It's a bop, right? So then I just kind of play with it a bit. You can make it as messy as you want. What I like to do is use Pattern's edge control, like on the parts that are kind of like whimsical. So I'll just like kind of like take like my sides right here, just kind of like let them do whatever they're gonna do. Just let them like be like, hey, I'm just hanging out here and just not really doing much. So that's it. This is how I implement the Pattern products into my self-care. It's really effortless. It's all self-care. Whatever allows you to take care of self, that is self-care. That's it.